So, it's pizza night, baby. I got the Uuni Pro going. I got my 4 dough balls ready to go. Got my toppings all laid out. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so, yeah, I never made this recipe before, but here we go. Get a can of San Marzano tomatoes. I think what we're going to do is we're going to take these San Marzano tomatoes and we're going to mash it nice with the potato masher. Let's get it in the bowl like that. There we go. Now you want to get a masher like this. The other ones, they just kind of like squash stuff, but this, the wire like zigzag pattern, this is what you want. So what we're going to do is we're going to give it a nice mash. Keep mashing it. You want to separate those tomatoes. Nice. Now, I don't know if you know this, but San Marzano tomatoes, they grow in a special region of Italy where the soil is especially nice for tomatoes. Makes them nice and sweet naturally because of Mount Vesuvius. When it erupted, it caused the soil to create a lot of ash, very acidic. The San Marzano tomatoes will always make a nice, sweet sauce. So, use San Marzano tomatoes. So, we mashed the tomatoes with the masher. Now make sure you use the wireframe one. And next thing, we're going to add a little bit of oregano. You don't want to use too much oregano. Just a little bit of oregano, right? Next, you want to use a little bit of basil. Just a little bit of basil. Again, you don't want to use too much of basil. And pinch of salt. That's beautiful. Listen, the San Marzano tomato has all the flavor you need. You just want to accent it with a little bit of these herbs. It's naturally sweet because of the acidic soil naturally found in the Vesuvia region of Italy. Beautiful.